Hello, welcome to the first video of BallisticBricks. This is a channel where I'm going to be going over all things Lego related, and not just Lego. I'm going to be looking into a lot of alternative brands and fake brands of Lego too. For the first video today, we have this. You might have seen some of these if you're on sites like Temu, DHgate, and stuff like that. They're basically mini modulars. Now, modulars are a very popular brand of Lego. I have a few, and I'm going to be looking into a few more on the channel. However, this is a mini one. Now, I think it's important to review stuff like this because number one, we see, is it actually worth getting stuff like this? Obviously, they're not to an actual size, they're very small. And we're just going to have an overall review of what the set is like. So let's get right into it. Let's build this. So we have the set here, as you can see. And yeah, let's build this. So, as we can see here, this is everything you get in the set. There's 3 bags. I'm not sure if these are clearly marked. I don't think they are. Um, the pieces do look mini, so that's something interesting. All in all, I'll show now on the screen how much this set actually was. This one was from Amazon, but you can get a lot of different types of this set. You also get a range of stickers, but yeah. So these are not full size bricks, which is the first major attention point. That might not be a problem for some people, but right now this is an important detail. But let's get to building it anyway. So you can see the instructions here literally come on one big double page spread, not in a booklet or anything like that, all just together, which makes the building process a little bit harder. We're going to get into it nonetheless. We actually do get a mini brick separator, which is quite cute. A little black one. I'll compare the sizes real quick. So as you could see, there's quite a big difference between the mini block and the big separator. But still nice that they've included this. It shows some attention to detail. So the bricks have been quite hard to put together so far because they're small. Um, it's really hard to really not only sort the pieces and find the correct one, but put them together. I'm having a lot of difficulties with that. Um, I'm gonna have a break for tonight and come back to this tomorrow. But so far, the build is looking nice. There's been a good amount of detail in the limited space it gets. The one stick I've had to put on has been relatively easy, not too much trouble. Um, but overall, I think the main problem is obviously the size of the brick, which is what's holding this back from being, I'd say, probably a really good review because so far I'm liking what I'm seeing. The bricks have been, in terms of quality, quite similar to Lego. But yeah, to be honest, so far the biggest put off is the size of the bricks, and it's the only thing probably refraining me from buying more from this company in the future. But the build is not done yet. Let's see how it actually turns out, and if it's worth getting. Hello, this is day 2. I'm gonna be back to filming, and let's just get straight into it. This is taking ages, so what I'm gonna do is time lapse this to this, so it goes a bit quicker. Okay, so the build is now done. I'm gonna be talking through what I thought of it. So we'll start with the positives. Some of the positives were great packaging. Everything was designed really nicely. As an alternative brand to Lego, while it doesn't have that same appeal, it definitely didn't feel like a fake set. I've had fake sets before, and they just come in big bags. This felt very professional and well done. The price was okay. About 15 to £16 um, for the build, which can be a bit overpriced, but it's a nice build and it's it took me about 4 hours to make over the 2 days, which is quite a long time because of the small pieces. But all in all, per hour, that's not too bad of a price. The quality was also good. Was it on the standard of Lego? Not at all. But while some of the pieces didn't quite go together like I would have wanted them to, the quality was pretty good. And I can't really complain at that. There's also a lot of spare pieces, which I didn't think there was going to be, but surprisingly there is. Right, we'll move on to the negatives. So I think the major negative is on. I got this product on Amazon Prime. There is no real indication that it is mini Lego, which is extremely disappointing. I am in the process of building a Lego city, and this is a massive repellent. I was looking for some of these small builds to maybe build up like a small street, and I know a lot of the sets online, more fake ones, are actually compatible. So this being not compatible and being really small, and there not being a real indication of that unless you really look into the reviews of the product, is a massive downgrade for me. And I might be contradicting myself a little bit here, but like I said, there was some bits that were hard to put together. The bricks are good quality, but they don't all stay together amazingly how I would like them to. So that was a bit of a problem for me personally. Overall, I'd say this product is not worth buying, unless you really like the appeal of it and you're not really into the wider world of Lego and you just want to have it as a cute little display piece. Then by all means go ahead and get this set. But as an alternative to Lego, there are definitely a lot better products on the market, and I wouldn't recommend this. While it looks nice and has a cute aesthetic, I think there's definitely some better sets you could pick up on the market, especially in the mini selection. Um, but the overall experience wasn't too bad. There was a lot of positives. I think the packaging was really great, and just the actual design of the thing is quite nice. So if it was normal size Lego, I think my opinion would be very different. But in terms of what I actually got, well, I'm not too disappointed. It's not something that I'm looking to buy more of in the future. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of the first video, and let me know what else you want me to review. I'm willing to have a look at loads of different either Lego products or fake Lego products. And yeah, into the next one.